So hello and welcome guys. In this video I'll show you this new IDE by Amazon AWS, that is Kiro IDE, and for the preview it's free now and I want you to use this at its whole potential. It's not 3.5, it's 3.7 and 4, and you can visit their website here in kiro.dev, and they also have organized an hackathon, and you can also participate it here using this Kiro ID. You have to create a project and then submit it here. Okay, so I have already did it. Let's close this. This was just extra information, but see the ID. You can join the waitlist. It's not open source now, but I think they have plans to make it open source. I have used it a lot, and it has two modes. First is vibe and second is spec. Vibe is just normal thing like we do in cursor or windsurf. It's like that, but the spec mode is a little different here. That's create plans in .kiro folder, and if you I have to create a document integration, then it will create a folder with that. Then it creates a requirement file, and then according to the requirement it creates design file and then the task list file. So it works like that. And also refine this, refresh design, and you can see the preview like here. Then it will create a design that how your website will look like, and you can also edit this according to you, and you can now add MCP servers also. If you want the list of MCP servers, you can say I will provide you. You can start task by clicking it here in the task list markdown file, and it will do the task, and after completion of task it will move on to next task when you command. So I found one thing, that it's a little slower for now because it's in preview and so many users are overloading it, and it has two models like Cloud 4 and 3.7, and Amazon has a huge stake in the company Claude, so Anthropic. So they are able to provide this. Sometimes it just stops, so there they see this error while reading the files, and sometimes it just stops, so you have to recreate everything. So one thing I can recommend you, that you can use ACLI RoboDev. It gives 20 million tokens per day if you are not satisfied with this, but currently this is for free now, and you can use it for free. This is by Atlassian, so you can also use this, and you can see this is the article. And let's go to the main canvas. You can see the whole mermaid diagram imported from here, the benefits, the status, post preview. It's currently free now, and the limitation in the free plans, it have some basic limits. You can see in the pricing page, and you can see the landing page is also good. Increase from kilos and take interactions, and you can see this, read this. During our preview period, take advantage of reasonable limits at no cost. So they are just testing it now, so you have the chance to use it. It's a public preview, so use it. You can also report a bug here, some idea from here. Okay, so this was the thing. So this was for the video, and I have created the diagram here, so you can also check out this. This is also in preview, so just create it and export it. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. See you.